Alright, we got some of these rare earth magnets. Just got a new batch of them. Kind of hard to find. Suppliers are running out of stock. That's a one variety you may receive. These are all just sold in a package of one. Is that variety? Okay, so when you put these things together, it's crazy. I don't know why this is doing this. Maybe you guys can tell me why. But you put them together, opposites. These should be repelling, right? They should have that force field. But they don't. It's probably something that this metal's made of. I have no idea what it is. But I'm sure there's someone that knows a lot more about these. That's another variety. Alright, so there it is. You're going to get that one. You may get the one with the ears. You may get this one with no ears. Alright.